This video explains rounding, but teaches one strategy that works every time. Remember that digits after the decimal point have places, and the digits are named according to their place value. So the tenths, the hundredths, and so on. This language is used when rounding answers that involve decimal values. You'll often see an instruction, round to 1 decimal place, round to 2 decimal places, round to the nearest tenth, round to the nearest whole. But, warning, it's not that simple. We don't just chop off all the numbers. Here's how to round correctly. To round answers correctly, just use 3 things: the door, the digit, the ditty. Ditty is a slang word that means song. Here's the little song. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. 4 or less, ditch the rest. That's the song. Now I'll show you how to use the door, the digit, and the ditty. This instruction says round to 2 decimal places. That tells you where to put the door. The digit is the one to look at. Now we need the song. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. Rounded to 2 decimal places, 0.05. Let's do it again. Round to 3 decimal places. Tells you where to put the door. Now look at the digit and sing the ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. But 4 or less, ditch the rest. Answer, 0.048 is correct to 3 decimal places. Round to the nearest tenth. Tells you where to put the door. Look at the digit, sing the ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. Nah. 4 or less, ditch the rest. Answer, 1.7, correct to the nearest tenth. One more. Round to the nearest tenth. The door, the digit, the ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? It's 5 or more. Raise the door, but from this tenth, I have to go to the nearest tenth, which means 1.9 bumps up by 1/10 to 2.0. This is correct rounding to the nearest tenth. Write down example 1 and let's practice again. Here is 6, and in this question, the given number of decimal places required is shown here. This is a shorthand way of saying round to 1 decimal place. This means round to 2 decimal places. The door, the digit, the ditty. This tells you where to put the door. This is the digit, sing the ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. 4 or less, ditch the rest. Answer, 0.5. Part B. Tells you where to put the door. Look at the digit. Sing the ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. 4 or less, ditch the rest. Answer, 0.09. Part C. Door, digit, ditty. Door. Digit. Ditty. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. Answer, 0.67. Correct to 2 decimal places. Part D. Door, digit, ditty. Door. Digit. Who's that knocking on my door? 5 or more, raise the door. It's going to go up by 1 to the nearest tenth and increase 0.9 to 1.0. That's correct to 1 decimal place. Part E. Door, digit, 4 or less, answer 0.07. Last one, tenths. Door. Digit. It's 5 or more. Raise the door. Answer 0.4. Correct to the nearest tenth. This is rounding, and all you need is the door, the digit, and the ditty.